Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make this fun and easy dog pop-up card. It's a 5-minute craft that you can easily make using simple materials, and I will guide you through every step. I also included templates in the description. If you like this craft, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button to join our crafty community. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, make a square using A4 card paper. Make a diagonal triangle without leaving a crease. Fold the excess rectangle strip and cut it out. You may also download the templates from the description below. Rotate the paper into a diamond shape and join the corners together. Draw a curve at the edge of the corners except for the top part and trim it. Measure and mark 3 cm on the top and cut it. Continue to cut 1 cm from the sides, leaving 5 cm at the end. Rotate the paper to place the flap on top, and fold and arrange it to form an envelope. Unfold it and cut the excess from the corners. Now take another color paper and trace around the envelope with the flap open up. Then cut it 1 cm smaller from the traced line. Apply glue around the edges and stick it inside the envelope. We can now add some designs. Close the envelope and mark the edge of the flap. Now open the flap, draw the ice cream cone just above the marker. You can now add glue and stick the bottom part of the envelope. To make the dog, grab a card paper and measure 10 cm by 7 cm. We can now start drawing the dog. Or you may also download the template from the description below. We can now cut out the picture of the dog. Take a piece of a card paper and trace the head of the dog. Draw a small square on top of it and cut it. Then grab a pointed scissors and make a slit on the mouth of the dog. Fold and add a bit of glue on the tiny square, then stick it at the back of the dog's head. Now let's make the dog's ears. This is about 4.5 cm by 5.5 cm. For the tongue, grab a red card paper and cut out a strip of 1 cm by 4.5 cm. Fold it in half and roll it to add some shape. Then stick it in the middle of the ears just like this. Now insert the ears between the gap at the back of the head. Then take the end of the tongue and insert in the slit of the dog's mouth. Roll or bend the tongue to add some shape. Now pull the ears up and down to check if it works. If it's good, then add a bit of glue on the side of the back head. Before adding glue, hold the dog's ears as you close the flap to test it out. Now apply glue on the upper part of the ears. Make sure that the dog is in the middle and stick it just below the edge of the flap. For the message, cut a piece of a card paper and draw a bone. And then write your congratulations. Finally, cut and stick the message on the flap, and you can add more design. And just like that, we have created this fun and easy dog pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next craft. Bye!